Welcome to the Daily News Network. Got a special friend here with us today from SWBC Mortgage, Eddie O'Keefe. Eddie, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
Well, good gracious, over this last 18 to 24 months, the mortgage world, the interest world kind of gone crazy. What can we say to get people comfortable that, yes, I can still get a good quality mortgage simply and purchase my dream home?
Oh, you're right. You know, the mortgage business has been a roller coaster ride, and when you get off, you want to throw up. So, but we are coming into a time period of stability. Rates have come down off their highs, so it is a little bit more affordable to purchase a home. Home prices have kind of steadied, but we are coming into the spring home buying season. You know, that's where the large majority of the appreciation is gained for a year's time period. So, but there's lots of options. First-time buyers, you know, down payment assistance. There are still homes where, you know, as far as inventory is concerned, at the moment, we've seen the highest level of inventory for the last 18, 24 months. But, you know, if you want to get in, the time to get in is now, before you get into that spring buying season.
There you go. You know, I was doing some reading this morning. Even with rates at their present position, we're still below historic 50-year averages. So it's not that bad. It just feels bad or different from what it had been the last couple of years. I also was noticing the largest mortgage lender in the country, Quicken Loans, do it all online. Why is it better for me as the home buyer to have a local person managing my mortgage rather than just go online with Quicken? Why is it better?
You know, that's a great question. And when you go with somebody who's local like myself, my reputation is my way of business. You know, I've got to make sure that every single deal that I do, I keep the customers happy, I keep the real estate agents happy, the title companies, the insurance agents. Everyone's got to be happy for me to get that next loan. You know, so with me, I'm your trusted advisor. I've been doing the business for 26 years. You know, it's not that you're going to call up on the phone, I'm going to hand you a letter and tell you good luck out there. You know, we're going to put a plan of action. You know, we're going to look at things like 2-1 buy downs, interest rate buy downs to make that payment a little bit more affordable. There's MI options where you can reduce the MI or lower the MI. So we give you, and I'm gonna pick up the phone. You know, so you're gonna call me after hours on the weekend, whenever. I'm gonna pick up the phone and I'm gonna provide that great service to you. You're not gonna get that with an online company, or you're not gonna get the relationships that I have around this market. You know, so we know the appraisers, we know the insurance agents, we know the title companies, and we work elbow to elbow together. You know, that's where you're going to get the benefit of using someone who's local.
Last question for you, Eddie. I'm curious, from your perspective, shop for the home or shop for the money? Which is more important to do first?
Shop for the money first, you know, then look at the home. The last thing you want to do is shop for a home, get excited about it, and find out, one, you may not qualify for, or two, the payment's just not there. You know, the payment's just a little bit more than you want to spend. And it's a lot harder to look at a home at $400,000 and then have to go back and look at a home for $300,000. So shop for the money, shop for the mortgage first, know what options you have available to you, and then we'll send you out on your way to look for that home.
What's the best way for people to have that conversation with you to shop for the money, Eddie?
You know, the best thing, phone call, 904-813-2945. That's my cell phone. I pick it up, I answer the phone calls, I return phone calls quickly. However, if you want to go take a peek at me, if you type in Eddie O'Keefe SWBC Mortgage on Google search, I'm going to pull up all over the place. Or if you want to go to Instagram, just type in Eddie O'Keefe and you'll find me. All
right, you heard it here first from Eddie. Shop for the money, then shop for the home. Thank you so much. See you soon.